Replacing your roof is a significant investment in your home's protection, value, and comfort. If you're a homeowner in Sterling Heights preparing for a roof installation, understanding what to expect can help make the process smooth and stress-free. Here's a comprehensive, customer-focused look at what the entire journey involves, from pre-installation preparation to the final walkthrough. Initial consultation and roof inspection. Your roof installation starts with a detailed consultation. A reputable contractor will visit your home in Sterling Heights to evaluate the current condition of your roof. This inspection includes checking for signs of leaks, water damage, rotted wood, mold, or structural concerns. At this stage, you'll discuss your roofing material preferences, whether you're interested in asphalt shingles, metal, tile, or other options. The contractor will also go over estimated timelines, warranty coverage, and provide a written quote. Permits and scheduling. Sterling Heights, like other cities, has building codes that require proper permitting for roof replacements. Your contractor should handle the necessary permits and paperwork with the city on your behalf. This ensures the work complies with local building regulations and passes inspection once complete. Once the paperwork is in order, your roofing company will schedule the installation. Weather plays a big role in timing, so flexibility might be needed, especially during Michigan's unpredictable seasons. Pre-installation preparation. A day or two before installation, your roofing team will prep the site. This includes delivering roofing materials and equipment to your property, setting up protective coverings for your landscaping, siding, and driveways, informing neighbors about potential noise and activity. It's a good idea to clear your driveway, move patio furniture, and take valuable items off walls inside your home. Vibrations from roof work can cause items to fall. The tear-off process. On the first day of installation, the crew begins with a tear-off, removing the old shingles and underlayment down to the decking. This exposes any hidden issues, like water-damaged wood, that must be repaired before the new roof goes on. Expect noise, debris, and foot traffic. Your contractor should keep the site clean with regular cleanup throughout the day. Most full roof replacements in Sterling Heights are completed in 1 to 3 days, depending on roof size and complexity. Installing the new roof. Once the decking is prepped and any necessary repairs are made, the actual roof installation begins. This includes installing ice and water shield, critical for Michigan winters, laying down synthetic underlayment, adding starter strips, flashing, and ventilation, and applying shingles or other roofing materials. Professional crews work methodically to ensure a watertight, wind-resistant installation. Safety protocols are strictly followed to protect both the crew and your property. Final cleanup and inspection. When the roof is installed, the crew performs a thorough cleanup, using magnetic tools to collect stray nails and removing debris from your yard and gutters. Then, a supervisor or project manager conducts a final inspection. They will ensure every detail meets manufacturer and code standards, and walk you through the finished work. If needed, a city inspector may perform a follow-up check to close the permit. Post-installation support and warranty. A quality roofing company in Sterling Heights will provide you with warranty documentation, care instructions, and follow-up contacts. Most new roofs come with both a manufacturer's warranty, covering materials, and a workmanship warranty, covering installation quality. Should any issues arise after installation, leaks, flashing concerns, or aesthetic details, your contractor should be responsive and committed to addressing them promptly. Final thoughts. Roof replacement may feel like a big undertaking, but knowing what to expect makes it more manageable. With a reliable roofing contractor in Sterling Heights, the process can be efficient, professional, and even educational. By preparing your home, asking questions, and understanding each step, you'll gain peace of mind and a beautiful, durable roof that protects your family for decades to come.